Hello, welcome back to our channel, where we provide everything you should know about your health. Today we'll bring you the common causes of food poisoning and how to prevent them. Most people think food poisoning only comes from spoiled meat or dirty water. But some of the most dangerous bacteria are hiding in foods you think are safe. Rice, beans, chicken, eggs, and even vegetables can all harbor deadly bacteria. The most common culprits? Salmonella, E. coli, Staphylococcus, and Bacillus cereus. Here's what happens. These bacteria multiply rapidly, especially in warm temperatures. When you eat contaminated food, they release toxins in your gut. Within hours, you'll experience nausea, vomiting, severe diarrhea, stomach cramps, and sometimes fever. For young children, pregnant women, and the elderly, food poisoning can be life-threatening. Please, if you are getting value from this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It encourages us to make more videos like this. So how do you prevent it? Number 1, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling food. Number 2, cook food to the right temperature. Chicken, eggs, and meat should never be eaten raw or undercooked. Number 3, refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours. Don't leave cooked food sitting out at room temperature. Number 4, separate raw and cooked foods. Use different cutting boards and knives. Number 5, when reheating food, make sure it's steaming hot all the way through. And here's the rule many people ignore. If food smells off, looks slimy, or you're unsure how long it's been sitting, throw it away. No meal is worth a hospital visit. Which other important point do you think helps prevent food poisoning? Share them with us in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.